Okay guys, I'm just about to go do a property viewing, and just before or just as I walk out, I hear lots of noise. Let's see what's going on in our renovation. Yeah, in the old kitchen where we're busy converting it to an Airbnb unit. So how's it, gents? How's it? Okay, we can see the kitchen here is going in. Went in this morning. Starting to get the units going on over here. I can see it's taking shape. Gives you a better view. And I reckon within a few days, most of this will be in. Shower, sink, the basin, kitchen. So we are making progress.